You want to create an email newsletter that people actually read, not one that gets ignored, deleted, or buried in spam. If you stick with me for the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step, using a method that works across industries. I've tested all the most popular tools out there, and I'll also give you access to an exclusive free trial of the software I personally recommend, only available to viewers of my channel. That link is in the description if you want to follow along. Let's get into it. First, start with one clear goal. Is your newsletter meant to educate, promote something, entertain? Don't try to do all three in one email. One goal, one message. Second, write your subject line last. It's the most important part of your email, and it decides whether your reader even opens it. Make it benefit-driven, short, and a little intriguing. Think about what would make you click if it landed in your inbox. Third, use a personal tone. Avoid sounding corporate or robotic. Imagine you're writing to one specific person, not a crowd. Use you more than we, and cut the fluff. Every sentence should earn its place. Next, keep it skimmable. Use short paragraphs, bullet points, bold important lines, and add white space. No one wants to read a wall of text. People skim before they commit, so design it for that behavior. Then, add a clear call to action. Whether it's reading a blog, watching a video, buying something, or just replying, don't assume they know what to do next. Spell it out. 1 CTA per email. Don't overload them with options. Now let's talk about formatting. Keep it mobile friendly. Over 60% of emails are opened on phones. Use responsive templates inside the software we'll be using. Super easy to customize and no coding required. For visuals, don't go overboard. A clean design with your logo, one relevant image, and maybe a button is plenty. Too many graphics, slow load times, and trigger spam filters. Also, send at the right time. Typically, Tuesday to Thursday mornings perform best, but test different times with your list. The software we're using includes built-in A/B testing, so you can optimize based on real data. Track what works. Open rates, click through rates, unsubscribes. These tell you what content your audience wants more of. Again, the software tracks all of this for you, and you can view performance at a glance. Lastly, be consistent. Weekly or bi-weekly works best for most. Don't ghost your list for months, then suddenly show up with a sales pitch. Build trust over time with value-packed content. So what's the key takeaway here? To create an email newsletter that people actually read, you need to deliver clear value in a clean, personal format, with one purpose per email, optimized for mobile, and tracked for improvement. Quick recap: start with one goal, write a strong subject line, keep the tone personal, make it skimmable, include one clear CTA, format for mobile, use visuals sparingly, send at the right time, track performance, stay consistent, and remember, if you want to follow along and start building your newsletter today, I've got an exclusive free trial to the software I recommend linked in the description. It's only available through my channel, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. Go build something people actually read.